Hey guys, today we're making some new mats for the Evo. So these are the original mats that the Evo come with. They are very tired, very old, must be 20 years old if they come with the car. So now I've got my sewing machine and everything all rigged up. I'm going to make myself a nice set. So first things first, because I want a little bit of embroidery in there, I've got to actually go to see my mother, and she's going to embroider my mats for me. So back to Stoke. So we've just got back, everything's been embroidered, all the patterns have been cut out, so now we're just going to put the piping on the quilting to make everything look like a finished product.